السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. أهلا بكم في قناة Arab English Learning. This is Connect Plus book Primary 3 The Activity Book Term 2 Unit 9 Part 2 Page 32 Exercise 1 Look, find and write. We will find the words first, then write it under the correct picture. The first word, wheelchair, first aid kit, crutches, face mask, syringe, blood pressure monitor, bandage, stethoscope. The first picture is face mask, 2, syringe, 3, first aid kit, 4, stethoscope, 5, blood pressure monitor, 6, wheelchair, 7, crutches, 8, bandage. Exercise 2, read and write. We will use these words to complete the following sentences. 1. This can put medicine inside your body. Syringe. 2. A doctor uses this to listen to your heart. Stethoscope. 3. You can sit in this and move around when you can't walk. Wheelchair. 4. Surgeons wear this on their face when they do operations. Face mask. 5. Put this cloth around an injury to keep it clean. Bandage. 6. You can use these to help you walk when you have hurt your leg. Crutches. 7. A nurse uses this to check the health of your heart. Blood pressure monitor. 8. A bag or box of medicine and health equipment. First aid kit. Page 33, Exercise 1. Read and complete using the words in the box. This is according to your text that you will read in the student's book, Medicine in the Past and Medicine Now. So you have to read it first in the student book to answer the following questions. 1. The Edwin Smith Papyrus and the Ypres Papyrus are two of the oldest texts in the world. 2. The Edwin Smith Papyrus is about surgery in ancient Egypt. 3. Doctors in ancient Egypt could do operations and fix broken bones. 4. There are treatments for different diseases in the Ypres Papyrus. 5. The Ypres Papyrus talks about the heart and the body's blood supply. 6. There is advice for treating skin problems, teeth, eyes, and other organs. Exercise 2. Read again and answer. We will use short answers. 1. Do we use some treatments from the ancient Egypt in medicine today? Yes, we do. 2. What herb did the ancient Egyptians use to treat the digestive system? Mint. 3. What plant did they use to treat burns? Aloe. 4. What did they use to treat infections and skin problems? Honey. Page 34, Exercise 1. Read and complete with these short sentences to complete the following text. All you need to do is just write the letters. 1. In an emergency, an ambulance H takes you to hospital. Paramedics drive ambulances and they can D. Give you first aid. In some countries there are helicopters G. that can fly you to hospital very quickly. Australia is such a big country that many people live A. hundreds of kilometers away from the nearest hospital. So there are some doctors there, F, who can fly small planes, called flying doctors. There are 77 airplanes in the B, Australian Flying Doctor Service. The planes are like small C, flying hospitals. They carry lots of medical equipment and the doctors E, can do operations in them. Page 35, exercise 2. Look and complete the crossword. What's the mystery word in gray? So let's look at the picture and complete the words. The first one is hospital. 2, airplane. 3, transportation. 4, ambulance. 5, emergency. 6, doctor. 7, helicopter. The mystery word is paramedic. Exercise 3, read and answer. Which 2 types of transportation can take you to hospital in an emergency in some countries? An ambulance and a helicopter. 2. What 2 things do paramedics do? They drive the ambulance and they can give first aid. 3. How do flying doctors go to someone in an emergency? They fly or travel in a plane. 4. How many planes are there in the Australian Flying Doctor Service? There are 77 planes. 5. Why do these planes look like small flying hospitals? They carry lots of medical equipment and doctors can do operations in them. Page 36, this is the doctor's bag. You will look, read and draw. Stethoscope, medicine, scissors, blood pressure monitor, bandage, thermometer. Page 37, this is a unit review about the whole unit. Do the puzzle. What is the mystery word again in gray? 1. Granddad needs to have surgery at the hospital. 2. I have got an infection in my throat. It's very sore. 3. Dina cut her finger, but it wasn't a serious injury. 4. The doctor gave Wael some medicine for his cough. 5. Smallpox is a serious disease. The mystery word will be germs. Okay? Exercise 2. Read and complete using the words and the brackets. 1. If you heat ice, it melts. 2. If you don't water plants, they die. 3. If you heat water to 100 degrees, it boils. 4. If it rains, the ground gets wet. 5. If you drop a glass, it breaks. 6. If you mix red and blue, it makes purple. Exercise 3. Read and write T for true or F for false. At school, 1. We mustn't eat in class. This is true. 2. We must use our phones in class. False. 3. We mustn't listen to our teachers. False. 4. We must do our homework. True. 5. We must shout in the library. False. Thank you for listening and watching this video. ما تنسوش تتابعوا نفس اليونت في ال students book والactivity book part 2 part 1 وما تنساش تعمل سبسكرايب لو انت اول مرة تشوف القناة ولايك and share علشان غيرك يستفيد. share في الخير. Thank you again for listening and see you very soon. Bye.